Hello class, hello everyone. My name is Eric Alfonsoan. I'm a master student at Educational Technology in University of Florida. Today I want to present my instructional guru, Richard Meyer, with his cognitive theory and multimedia learning. Who is Richard Meyer? Richard Meyer is a distinguished professor of psychology at University of California, Santa Barbara, where he specializes in educational games, computer-supported learning, and multimedia learning. His research aims to improve the transmission of knowledge by establishing a connection between cognition, education, and technology. Why is multimedia learning is essential? According to Richard Meyer, multimedia improves comprehension and retention by utilizing both visual and verbal processing. His multimedia principle encompassed multimedia principle, signaling principle, modality principle, pre-training principle. The application of these principles can enhance the learning outcomes of students. Multimedia learning principles. There are several principles here. I highlight key principles. When there are animations or pictures, use sound instead of words. It's better to use pictures and text together than just text. Redundancy, coherence, spatial contiguity, temporal contiguity. Some more principles: segmentation, pre-training, personalization, and voice. Implementation in chemistry learning. The multimedia learning, I highlight two things here. The implementation of multimedia learning. The first one is virtual reality VR and augmented reality AR. The second one, ebooks and learning videos. There are several challenges and development here. Let's take a look. AI within CTML, personalized learning. AI customizes the content to fit the demands of the students. Is aligned with personalization principle. The second one is AR within CTML. AR interactive visualization shows 3D models and audio, multimedia and modality principles. Spatial contiguity principle states that labels and instructions directly near the item. Generative learning and experiential learning let students engage directly with the contents. The challenges here of implementing multimedia learning. The first one, technology accessibility. Not every school has appropriate technological infrastructure, teacher and student readiness. Teachers need special training to effectively integrate multimedia. Potential distraction. Students may be more interested in the entertainment component than the educational content. Let's discussion and reflection. Method 1. Augmented reality AR for learning. AR enables the interactive depiction of molecular or chemical reactions. Multimedia principles include audio commentary when students view the 3D model. Is aligned with modality principle. The second one is AR, VR in chemistry, allows for real-time polling on chemical reaction and molecular modeling. What about the conclusion? There are 3 conclusions here. Learning is more successful when words and images are utilized together rather than words alone. This idea is supported by 9 major effects, such as multimedia, spatial and temporal contiguity, coherence, modality, redundancy, pre-training, signaling, and personalization. Effective multimedia learning can enhance comprehension and knowledge transfer by considering the learner's cognitive capacity. Now, I challenge you all to answer those questions in this quiz. If you answer correctly, you will find the correct answer, such as number 1 is A, number 2 is B, and number 3 is A. That's all from me today. This is my reference about my presentation today. Thank you. See you next lesson.